So as you can see, got a couple of boxes here with me. Today we're going to do unboxing, make an unboxing video. I always love to watch those. So I've got 3 boxes here, and Eric was asking me, he says, hey, what's going on? Because yesterday you had a couple of boxes come through. Today as well, a couple have come through. What's going on? Have you won the lottery and you haven't told me yet? But fact of the matter is that there are a couple of items he's not supposed to see. So I'm going to take a sneak peek first. He's not supposed to see them because I've already ordered his birthday present. So let me take a sneak peek first. And okay, definitely this is mine. So I'm a Tory Burch girl. I love Tory Burch. I've got a couple of pieces from her. So I got myself a belt and an earring, and fortunately I can't show my address, so I've got to fold that. That's my like my receipt. A little card that says thank you. Our brand was started with a founding principle to empower women. We hope you love your order, and we are thrilled you are part of our community. So here, let me put my Tory Burch sticker on my chest. Well done to you, Marie. Good girl. Let's see what I got. Okay, so there's my Tory Burch belt. Oh, beautiful, gorgeous, and it is a reversible belt, so I get 2 sides to it. Got the black and the brown. Yeah, let's just have it around my waist and see. Okay, so far so good. Yeah. And then I got me a little earring as well. So basically these are things that I had planned to get myself in the course of the year. I had them on my vision board, my little like fashion vision board. But then a friend of ours, well, I only met her last year, so I wouldn't really say friend, but friend in quotes, beautiful lady I met last year, and died just last Thursday. And I thought, you know what, look, you really don't postpone things in life, so if you can grab it now, why not? So yeah, I got me, oh, it comes with this little pouch, so you get this little like dust bag, and it's just studs. I got cute studs. I don't know, as I'm growing, I like to have these little cute studs, especially when I put my hair up in a ponytail like this. Yeah, they're just cute stud. Tory Burch stud. You know, that's how it looks on the back. Yeah, with the belts, you know, you got your pair of jeans on, a nice t-shirt this summer, and just the belt and your earrings, you're good to go. The belt and maybe a brooch, you're good to go. The belt and a bag, you're good to go. You know, so you can mix and match, or maybe the earring and a bag, no belt, whatever. I'll just fix myself. These are, I don't know, little must-have pieces just as a treat. Yeah, it's all about your accessories, isn't it? Let's see what's in the oh, these Eric can see. So these are called is it moss pole? Moss something. Let me see. Let's see. Yeah, moss poles. It's for this plant here, our indoor plant. Obviously, we got those last year. It's overgrown in the pot, so we've separated them or propagated a few of them into another pot, which we've taken upstairs. We've left it in the corner of the staircase. leading to the bedrooms. However, because they're falling facing downwards, we want them to all kind of stand upright. So I watched a video on YouTube, and apparently this is what we needed. They're called moss poles, so that we can, and apparently they're quite bendy. Let's see how they work. So you can sort of wrap them around it to get them standing straight again. But Eric will help with that. So it comes with different pieces. I don't know what this is. As you can see, there's like a tape there on the floor. Okay, I think these are like stands or to hold them upright. And yeah, they actually do bend. Okay, yeah, so you can actually bend them. So yeah, there's four pieces. So we'll watch the video again on YouTube and figure it out, and then Eric can help. Wait, let me put it back in the box. Last but not least, what is in here? Okay, this is Eric's birthday present. We're not opening. Cut. Right, guys, so as we promised you this year, time with Eric and Marie is going to take a different turn. It's not always going to be the two of us sitting around a table giving marriage tips and all that. We're going to try and be a bit more relaxed and show a bit more of us and how we live our daily lives, really. So yeah, I've shared with you guys some of my pleasures, like things that make me happy, if I can put it that way. I don't know. Yeah, so I'm definitely going to be enjoying my treats, my new girly girls and my bells. And of course, trust me, I got my husband something nice. I think he will love it. Eric's birthday is coming up end of the month, so we will show you guys exactly what I got him if he wants to share on his birthday. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. So catch you guys again soon. Please subscribe and like the video for us. Thank you.